Hi, I'm Alison O'Connor with CSU Extension in Larimer County. We're here at the Windsor Gardener taking a look at all of the different types of petunias that you can add to your landscape during the summer months. If you think that petunias still come in the classic red, white, and blue, think again, because petunias are a hot item and there's so many different patternings that you can add to your garden, including this one, which has little hearts in the flower. Petunias are pretty drought tolerant and don't need a lot of care. In fact, a lot of the petunias on the market today are self-deadheading, which means that their flowers will naturally shed and the plants will keep blooming. And it's great because if you miss a watering or two, petunias are going to be tolerant of that. But do give them regular fertilizer because they'll appreciate the extra nutrients. Now, petunias are an annual, so that means that they'll die with the first frost. But you will have continual blooms from your growing season, usually from May through the beginning of October.